ओके फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू जॉय शेविंग चैनल। हाउ आर ऑल ऑफ यू डूइंग? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आज फिर से कुछ अलग करेंगे, विल डू समथिंग डिफरेंट। एंड टुडे आई थॉट दैट since many of the people go to offices, how to be clean shaven in one pass shave if you are a daily shaver. So the products which we are going to use today are a very reasonable razor which is available on Amazon. I'll share the link. The blade is same feather blade, third use, but we'll do one pass, so I find it okay. If at all I feel that the shave is not comfortable, I'll change the blade to something else. The soap is Trigodon Woodland Umber. Looks something like this. The brush is Pearl Shaving Brush, long handle, synthetic, and I'll share the link of this as well and the model number somewhere here. We are also going to use a pre-shave oil. I'll find it a bit weird because this is actually a beard oil. I'm going to use it as a pre-shave oil today to see if it works that way. And the fragrance is tobacco and oud. Okay, nice fragrance. And since it would be a one pass daily kind of shave, I'll use the same post shave balm from Bombay Shaving Company. Alright, so I'll apply some water to the beard, warm water, some pre-shave oil, about this much, and I'll rub it in both hands. Aroma is brilliant, very nice. People who keep beard or partial beards or goatees, they can use this oil as well. Paying some more attention here because this is a sensitive area for me. The oil is so good that it is not sticky at all. You can apply the remaining oil over your hands and elbows maybe, and it just absorbs very easily. Now the soap and the brush. I think this much should be enough. If I feel the need of having more, I'll go back to the pot. Now, if you are a daily shaver and you need to shave in a hurry, you can skip the pre-shave oil step. But all the other steps, like from preparation to lathering to proper shaving, remain the same. There is no compromise over that. Very nice brush. Now this pre-shave oil or the beard oil actually is good as a pre-shave because it did not kill the lather, you can see. And the aroma of the soap is good. It's woody, definitely, as the name suggests, it's woody. I'll do one pass, and if the need be, do some touch-ups as well. And I'll show you the difference of being presentable and having a close shave. We'll see that when the shave concludes. Okay, so first pass, alright. Very nice and smooth. No problems. So first pass is done. Now I'll rinse and come back. Alright, so the one pass shave is done. Now, because of the pre-shave oil or the beard oil, I feel so moisturized that there is no need to apply any aftershave balm or post-shave balm. And I am going to skip that step anyways. So, Bombay Shaving Company post-shave balm, I'll come to you some other video. Alright. Some mad moments. Anyway, so now I wanted to show you the difference between having a presentable shave and a close shave. So by presentable, I mean if you talk to someone from a bit distance, like 2 feet, 3 feet, you look clean shaved. There is no stubble on your face, you look clean shaved. But if you come closer, you will see that there is some stubble visible on my face. Alright. So everything, all the products performed great, had a great one pass shave. This will carry on for about 48 hours, after which I'll do another shave. So let's see the products again. Razor and blade, nice knurling handle. I think it would be around 50 to 60 grams of weight. Design good enough for a good shave. So you see the alignment, etc. Blade gap is okay, and I shaved with a feather, so you can understand that this razor is good. Although it is a third use of the feather, but that's okay. The pearl shaving long handle synthetic brush performed very good. Created enough and ample lather for one pass shave. Actually, this lather can go up to 3 passes. That's the Trigodon Woodland Umber, very nice. Aromatically as well as in performance, a very good soap. So I loved it. This is it, guys, for the one pass shave. Thank you very much for joining today. All the links are in the description. Go ahead and check those links. Subscribe to support, and do keep up the good shaves and keep spreading good fragrances. Thank you very much for joining today. Have a good day. Have a good night. Ciao. Bye-bye. So the point I'm going to make is, if you are going to, attend a meeting or meet someone, you always have to maintain 2-3 feet distance. That's okay. But if there is a purpose to come this closer, ask yourselves, are you going to office for the right purposes when you come this closer? That's not a purpose for meeting. That's for something else. I'm not judging anyone. Don't get me wrong. I have no right to judge anyone, and I'm not. But think about it.